Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF using Foxit Reader. First, open your Foxit Reader application on your computer. Then, open the specific PDF document that requires your signature. Navigate to the Protect tab located at the top of your Foxit window. Within this tab, you will find the Fill and Sign option. Click on this, and it will reveal several useful signature tools ready for your use. Now, let us create your personalized signature. Click the Create Signature button to begin this process. Foxit Reader offers 3 primary methods. You can type your name, draw your signature, or import an existing image. If you choose to type, you can select from various fonts and colors to make it look just right. For drawing, take your time and use your mouse or a pen tool to accurately replicate your handwritten signature. With your signature now created, placing it is straightforward. Once you have finished creating it, your signature will appear attached to your cursor. Simply click on the specific area within your PDF document where you wish to place this signature. After placing, you will see a box around it, allowing you to easily adjust its size. Drag any of the corners to resize it, and then move it to achieve the perfect placement on your document. With your emulator successfully installed, open it to find a familiar Android interface. You will need to sign in with your Google account, which is a standard procedure for accessing the Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the Play Store icon within the emulator, just as you would on a physical Android device. Use the search bar to find Clash of Clans, then simply click Install to begin downloading the game. The installation usually finishes within a couple of minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.